Okay, so some of the paint tag, they're 90%. Not all though. I don't know. I just scanned this. This is $7.99 from $79. I don't know how does it work. $7.99, guys. Not all paint tags are 90%. Some 9. I don't know how does it work. And there's a vacuum. I don't know what is. Wet dry vacuum. I don't know, to suck, to clean the mold and press. There's like so many, guys. You better run if you need. I think this is a good activities or get one. I think this is like kind of recent. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get one to see how does it work. I just saw this one at Ross. This is also running 90% off. I did not check that.
Oh my god.
Might be. There's the tag in here.